dead end. It's choreographed by Nathan Lee. It is a 32 count, 4-wall high improver level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, and then go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn dead end. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do heel pumps, so you're going to place your right heel forward, slightly hitch your right up, place your right heel forward, slightly hitch your right up, and then we're going to do a right coaster step, stepping your right foot back, left together, right forward. We're now going to repeat that with our left, so you're going to place your left heel forward, slightly hitch your left up, place your left heel forward, slightly hitch your left up, and then we're going to do a left coaster step, stepping your left foot back, right together, left forward. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your heel pump. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Section 2, we're going to shuffle forward with our right, stepping right forward, left together, right forward. You're now going to rock forward with your left foot, recover back onto your right, and you're going to do a quarter shuffle over your left shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side to face 9 o'clock. Step your right next to your left, and then step your left foot to the left side. We're now going to do a half turn over our left shoulder, stepping our right foot to the right side to face 3 o'clock. You're going to make a half turn over your left shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side to face 9 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, do your shuffle forward. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to do hip shakes. So we're going to bump our hip to the right, bump your hip to the left, bump your hip to the right, bump your hip to the left. You're now going to step forward with your right foot. You're going to do a half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 3 o'clock. And then we're going to do 2 jumps in place, bringing that right foot in to meet your left as you hop. And then you're going to do it again, hop. And you want these to stay in your spot. So let's try it with some counts. We just finished our half turns, so we're going to do our hip shakes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to do a step lock shuffle. So you're going to step your right foot forward, bring your left foot in and behind your right. We're now going to shuffle forward with our right foot, stepping right forward, left together, right forward. You're now going to point your left toe to the left side, step your left next to your right, touch your right toe back, and then you're going to scuff your right heel forward. And that is the whole dance. So let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left. We just finished our 2 jumps. So you're going to do your step lock. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your heel pump. So it's heel, heel, coaster, step, heel, heel, coaster, step. Shuffle forward, rock, recover, quarter shuffle, half, half, hip, right, left, step, half pivot, jump, jump, step, lock, shuffle, point, step, touch back, scuff. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your heel pump. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So there's no ending listed for the dance. If you're somebody that likes to end facing 12 o'clock, all I did was make my scuff do a quarter turn. So you would end facing the 3 o'clock wall. When I did my scuff with my right, I just turned a quarter over my left shoulder and stepped my right foot to the side to face 12 o'clock, and that's how I ended the dance facing 12 o'clock. But if you choose to end facing 3 o'clock, that's fine as well, because it is not listed on the step sheet. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your heel pump. So it's heel, hitch, coaster, step. Heel, hitch, coaster, step. Shuffle forward, rock, recover, quarter shuffle, half, half, hip, right, left, half pivot, 2 jumps. Now your step, lock, shuffle, point, together, touch back, scuff, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel hitch, coaster step. Heel hitch, coaster step. Shuffle forward or rock, recover, quarter shuffle. Half, hip right, left, half pivot, 2 jumps. Now your step block shuffle. Point together, touch back, scuff. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the very demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn dead end. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.